Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Which physical examination finding is not typical for a pneumothorax? Decreased breath sounds over the region with hyperresonance. Decreased vocal resonance over the region with hyperresonance. Reduced unilateral chest expansion with reduced vocal fremitus. Unilateral hyperresonance with ipsilateral tracheal deviation. Decreased unilateral vocal fremitus with ipsilateral reduction of breath sounds. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.